Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Men. Today, I am going to be showing you how I clean out my trash cans. I do recommend to clean out your trash can at least 4 or 5 times a month. I try to clean my trash cans out so on a regular, I might throw trash out about like 5 or 6 times a week. So about 3 times out the week, I do try to wash out my trash cans when I do have to remove those bags. The trash cans is the number one, not the number one, maybe it's in the top 5 of being the most nastiest thing in the house. This is actually where you throw all of the trash and all of the garbage. So I'm going to be showing you how I clean out my trashes. I have my kitchen trash, my bathroom trash, and I do have this towel that I have specifically for trash cans. I have my towel here. It's all bleached up, and I'm using cold water. Cold water does kill bacteria. And I'm using this soap, which has a lot of powerful oils in here, so the trash cans are going to smell great. I did the big trash can already, so I'm going to do my bathroom and my bedroom trash can. Also, my dustpan. Dustpans are another major thing that keeps up a lot of trash as well. Just rinsing out this towel and, just get you a designated towel. Make sure you're wearing those gloves to protect your beautiful skin. And I had to kind of do this part off camera, but I am going to show you what I do. So when I clean the trash can, I clean from the inside out. You want to make sure you get around the rims of the trash can, the most important part. Sometimes that bag might fall in. Make sure that you get along the sides really, really good. Also in all of the corners, and then make sure you get however the bottom of your trash can is formed. Also, do not forget the crease and crevices on the outside. Get the outside rims really good. Make sure you get the sides, and then please make sure you get that top. Trash can sit on the floor, so it may still just be stains that you can't remove. So I'm back. After I cleaned out the trash cans, they are super, super clean. It smells delicious in here. Girl, it smells like peppermint, honey. Okay. So everything, I did dry them out with paper towel. Here is my dustpan, really clean. And it doesn't matter how much things cost. If it's cost $1, $5, you just keep up with that. Then you can hold on to things. So if you do miss any spots, it is okay to go back. Just make sure everything is clean and it'll stay clean and you'll be able to keep it. Sometimes I think we get so pressed on, oh, if it didn't cost $1,000, I ain't gonna keep up with it. If it costs 50 cents, keep up with it. I have my garbage bags here, and I like to line all of my trash bags with these garbage bags. First, the larger garbage bags, and then I'll go in line with some smaller bags. Also, excuse me for stuff on the floor. As you can see, we deep cleaning. Girl, I got beet juice all over the floor, honey. I don't care what nobody say. Yes, okay, this might be a little hood. People say, oh my God, that's ghetto. Girls and boys, or women and men, this is wise. Baby, as much trash as you throw away, honey, it is okay to use bigger bags. But if you can get them extra bags, then why not recycle? When I try and have company, I try not to have those bags in there. But for me personally, baby, I'm using them grocery store bags. Here I am. My bedroom trash can is completely done, and I will show you how to line these trash cans. Being a janitor, you would think that, okay, people know how to line the trash, and probably not. As you can see here, I'm showing you my skin because I tried to put the trash bags in with the gloves on. Did not work, and my skin just got recently messed up again, really dry, so I couldn't really put the bags into the trash can with the gloves on, so I did take them off. But oh my God, it is so important to make sure that we are covering up our flawless skin, honey, because we work too hard to be natural beauties. Here I am. A tip that I like to tell people about doing the trash, because I know some people just put the bag in there and then they expecting all the food to fall to the bottom. You cannot get down like that, honey. You have to open that bag all the way up. That's how you utilize that whole bag. Period. Make sure the bag is open. Then you're going to drop that down at the bottom of the trash can Go ahead and open it up along all of the sides. Here's another tip. Push the bag down. That is how you utilize a full trash can. Y'all will never know how many janitors I've seen just throw the bag in there and throwing a bag out when it's only a chip bag in there. We utilize these bags. I mean, these dollar bags go for so long and they're like 13 gallons. Make sure it looks neat. So I will go ahead and, just tie up the sides. If you have to stretch that trash bag out. If you have to put a knot in there. I also like to tuck them as well, just to make sure that rim is clean. If I can't reach the other sides together, what I would do is just like tuck them just to still make them look good. Sometimes I like to put roses in my trash can just to make them look pretty. I'll put them in a toilet sometimes after I clean the toilets just to make them look nice, and it's just self-love. Family Dollar, what's up? Y'all going in there, period. Like, nobody playing that. Women, y'all know how much trash we throw away. Like, oh my God. And it's like going through bags. It is okay. Like I said, I don't mind buying no bags because they still $1, but I'm using the Walmarts too. If the bag has a hole in it, do not use it. It'll just cause mess everywhere. I went ahead and grabbed another bag. Sometimes I look at that. Sometimes I don't. I remember one time I did use a bag that had a hole in it. It didn't have a problem because I double lined it. And that's why I do this so much, to just reserve the trash can. Girl, you got fruit stuff all in the trash bags. That is okay, honey. We still using this bag. Always push the bags down so you can utilize the whole trash can. Twist, 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 tuck. Twist and tuck. Make sure you have both handles. Twist and tuck. That's how you're going to keep that bag in place. So when you're throwing heavy items away, the bag is not falling to the bottom. Push that bag in, honey. The trash can is good to go. Turn up. I be fooling. All right. Got the bigger trash can for the kitchen. You see how good that looks? I had that trash can for like 3 years now. I used to lick my finger and then open a bag. That's messy. Go ahead and get you a little bit of water. Rub the bags together, cause a little friction, and open that bag. I have to be real with y'all. Sometimes it was some stuff we was doing, just not learning, or, not doing something thinking it was smart. And some of the stuff ain't been smart. That was kind of nasty. Like, I mean, my hands would be clean before I started doing stuff, but still, I used to like lick my finger and open stuff. That's not ladylike, period. So now I'll go ahead and, get a little bit of water and open it like I did. Push the bag down. Go ahead, do you another tie or another twist, twist, twist. Y'all see me open that bag. If it's tighter, just go ahead and break it a little bit so you can get the knots, because you do want the trash bag to stay in the trash can. Sometimes I do buy other bags to where I don't got to do all of this. But when I buy these bags, I'm twisting, I'm tucking, I'm pulling, I'm ripping just to stretch them out, just so they can be tied up, period. I honestly love these bags though. Like, to be real with you, I love these bags. I don't like, it's rare, but I will buy like the super healthy bags, but not really. So I like the thinner bags. Honestly, I really choose these over the thicker bags. You see it. It's clean. Turn up. Always remember maintenance, personal maintenance, hygiene maintenance, internal, external maintenance. Your home has to be clean. Y'all know how Abraham said in the Bible, or God has said when he came to Abraham, he said, Sarah, I'm gonna need you to bring these men, go get some bread, get the finest bread you can find. Let's go out here, get some meat, and we're gonna sit under the tree and we're gonna eat. You always want to make sure that it's not just for your guests, it's for yourself as well, that you have a peaceful home, you have a peaceful environment. It makes you feel good. Cleaning makes you feel good. It gives you something to do always. So always make sure you're cleaning for yourself and most definitely your guests. When somebody walk into your home, there should be a sense of peace. If you miss a spot, go back and clean it. Like, that's okay. I know some people probably haven't taught to clean, and it is okay, but we do have to learn. Guess what? Alexus loves you.